Welcome back. In this video we are going to solve one of the problem challenges of HackerRank, and name of that problem challenge is sales by match. And in this problem challenge we have a two input, one is n and another one is list of array. For example, I wanted to store 7 array values inside an array. So what I will take, array values, let's say for example 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. Now what I want is, I want to return total number of count of pair of those array value. For example, here you can see that 1 comes 3 times, 2 comes 3 times and 3 came only 1 time. So I wanted to just count pair of value. You know that pair means that same value repeated 2 times. So what I want is, I will divide all those values as a pair. For example, 1 is one pair, 2 is one pair, and rest you can see that 1 came as only 1. It doesn't have any other pair. 3 is also 1 and 2 is also as a 1. So this 1 value will be counted as one pair and 2 value will be counted as one pair. So total number of pair will be 2. Okay, and the limitations of this value is n should be between 1 to 100, and the array value that you are going to store, it should be between 0 to n, that value you have entered or you got the input from it. Okay. Now let's solve this program with the help of a Java 8. And in this program I will enter 9 array value. Let's say array value will be 10, 20, 20, 10, 10, 30, 50, 10, 20. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I am going to convert this array value into stream. So what is the way? ar.stream method I'm going to call. So all the array values will be converted into a stream. After that, I will require only non-repeated values. For that I'm going to use distinct so that I will get unique values. So I have got the non-repeated values 10, 20, 30, 50. Now after that I'm going to use map to int, in which I'm going to call one method of collection. Method name is frequency, collections.frequency, in which I will number of pair of number which came repeated came. Okay, for example, here you can see that 10 came 4 times, 20 came 3 times, and 30 came 1 time, 50 came 1 time. So what I will require is, I will, with the help of a map to int, I'm going to store all the repeated numbers with the help of a collections.frequency and the number of count. And after that I will check that in number of count, which numbers are even and which numbers are odd. So if the numbers are even, that means it is already in pair in a multiple parts. For example, 10 came as a 4 time, so it should be 2 pair, right? 10, 10, 10, 10. But if the 10 is come as a 3, then it should be only 1 pair, 10, 10, and another last 10 will be excluded. So what I am going to do, I will find out which number the pair count written as an even. If the number is even, then I will return the same value. If it is not, then it should be -1. And after that I will get all the pair numbers. I will add those pair numbers. For example, 10 came as a 4 times, 20 came as a 3 time, but due to our logic to get access even number, so it will be -1. You can see I have written here in the logic, so it should be 3 minus 1, 2. 30 came as 1, but I have written pair percentile 2 equal to 0 equal to pair minus 1. So 30 minus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. And same thing about the 50. Here also it will be written as 0. Now I have written, after that I'm going to use the sum method of stream, in which I will get the total addition of these numbers. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Now there are 6 even number. Now this 6 even number, if I will allot 2 to each, then it should be, then it will return the exact count of pair. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. So 3 is the exact pair of this number. Now I will try to use the same logic in HackerRank. Let's do that. Here you can see that what I have done here, I have written the same thing what I have explained earlier. AR.stream converted all the array into a stream. After that I have used distinct to access all the numbers within a non-repeated manner. After that I have written my logic inside map to int, in which I have collected first of all the count of those number, and after that, if the number is in even order, then it should return the exact value. If it's not an even order, then make it even by -1. And after that I have used some method to return the exact total count of those even values. And after that I have divided those even values by 2, total by 2, which gave me the pair of all those numbers. Now let's test our code. Here you can see that sample test case 0 and 1 both got successful. Now let's submit the code to pass all the test cases. Now you can see that all the test cases passed successfully and our logic works fine. So this is the end of this video. In the next video we are going to talk about another one of the programming challenges of HackerRank. So stay tuned and keep watching my channel. And if you didn't press the bell icon, please press the bell icon to get the regularly update, and please like and subscribe my channel to see this kind of a programming challenges problem. Thank you.